Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the emulator build and the exact key names that are missing. This prevents guesswork. Once done, install the latest Suyu binary and ensure Python 3.10 and OpenSSL are present because key tools depend on them. Make a backup of your config and save folder immediately. You will restore if something breaks. Now open a terminal, list the emulator directory, and locate the keys folder so you can inspect which files are absent or corrupted. You will recreate keys with the packaged keygen or OpenSSL. Follow the emulator's key names exactly because file names map to decryption routines. After generating, set strict permissions, chmod 600 for private, 644 for public, so the emulator can read but other users cannot alter them. Then move files into the emulator keys folder and edit config entries to point to those paths. Once configured, restart the emulator to trigger key loading and watch logs for any parse or permission errors. You finish by restarting the emulator and verifying in the startup logs that each key loaded successfully. This confirms the fix. If errors persist, enable verbose logging and compare expected file names, sizes, and checksums versus what you installed. Mismatches often reveal typos or bad exports. Make sure to restore the backup if corruption occurred, and then document every change and store checksums so future issues are faster to diagnose. One tip: if key load fails, double-check file permissions and exact file names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.